Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to leave a group in the band app using a phone. Let's get started. First, open the band app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're on your home page, you will see the band you have joined. Tap the band group that you want to leave. Inside the band group, look at the top right corner or at the bottom, tap on the settings. Now tap on my settings. This will open the group settings menu. Scroll down until you see leave band. Tap it. A message will pop up asking if you are sure. Just tap yes or leave to confirm. Once you do, you will be removed from the group immediately. Go back to the band home screen. The group you left should no longer be listed there. That's how you know it worked. And that's it. We have successfully left a group in the band app on your phone. It's super easy. Just open the group, go to the settings, tap leave band and confirm. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.